dead nest pumping station was put in as part of the Isle of Axholme, which is all this area, which is a very flat part of Lincolnshire, to control the water. The EA was running into maintenance problems, and also the way that it discharged onto the bridge, it's causing health and safety issues. So they decided that it was time to change the unit, so they approached ECS to come up with a proposal to replace the old unit. We looked around onto the market and found that there were several units that would be suitable for this kind of application, but we thought that the Landistry unit was by far the best piece of kit for the job and would provide the EA with the most reliable solution. The installation posed a fair few problems because we didn't know the riverbed situation. We had to get the divers to come and survey the riverbed before we could install. Once that was complete, we did all the civil works, civil levels, and obviously installed the unit itself. It's a good system because it works off three separate ideas, whereby level control, pump start control and timer control. So you can pick whichever way you want to operate the machine. And for the EA it gives them a lot of flexibility for cleaning the weed. Now that the unit's installed, we've gone through the trials and commissioning. It is running, but we are going to do full training for all the pump station men that work in the area, so they'll be able to operate it and do simple maintenance to keep it running. One of the main benefits of the Landistry unit, it doesn't work on limit switches, it works on a counter system. So once you've set the system up where you want the grab to lower and raise and traverse, you just set the system on the panel and it works from that point. So there's no limit switches to fail, it just works on a simple counter basis, more reliable. Obviously now this unit's commissioned and installed, it frees up a guy that has to come here every day to clean the weed. This will now just dump into a local skip and the lorry will take the weed away. So it is reducing labour and manual handling, obviously health and safety.